Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash, and my Twitter next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, gold is super bullish again. So this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that in the morning, gold has made a high of almost 338788. And right now, after some retracement, gold is trading around 335758. So yesterday when we were discussing about gold, we had no idea about this up move because the news came out later. And as we all know, gold has been extremely sensitive to news, and this is the result. So stay in touch with news because any news from the White House will make gold crazy again. Right now we can see that gold is super bullish. So if you have any buy on gold right now, you can hold your buy position because gold seems to be back on track again. Okay. And yesterday when we were discussing about the possibility of gold above 3270, honestly, I had no idea about this at all. Okay. And this is the main reason I requested you guys to join our Telegram community so that I can update you guys if anything happens. For example, when gold was super bullish, I could post on the Telegram community, but obviously I could not post a video. So if you have not joined the Telegram community yet, please join the Telegram community. The link will be in the description, and stay away from the scams also. Be careful. Okay. Now let's discuss about the chart of gold. So before that, we must know that what was the reason. You can see gold climbs to over 1 week high. Gold rose more than 1% above 3370 per ounce on Tuesday, reaching its highest level in more than a week as President Donald Trump's new tariff threat spurred demand for safe haven assets. Trump on Sunday opened a new front in his trade war, saying movies produced outside the US would face a 100% tariff. On Monday, he said he plans to unveil pharmaceutical tariffs over the next 2 weeks. So, my dear friend, trade war uncertainty, trade war threat is back again. So, please keep in touch with news because if the same market sentiment continues, dominates, and if any new news comes out, then obviously gold will be heading towards 3500 or maybe above 3500. So please be careful. Okay, do not trade blindly. And if you see the market continuing the upside, then please try to follow the trend of the market. If a trend reversal comes, let it come. When it will come, then we can go for a sell. But as long as market is bullish, it's our duty to follow the trend of the market, respect the trend of the market. Okay, so let's discuss the opportunities. So in this situation, obviously, you guys can also guess that buy at retracement or buy at dip seems to be the best trading strategy, isn't it? So in this situation, the best level to go for a buy seems to be around 3334.6. 3334 and 3330. Okay, this seems to be the best level where we can go for a buy position. Why? Because of the previous resistance working as support. You can see the previous resistance will be working as support. Moreover, we also have the 50 moving average coming up. So we can expect that if market comes down, market comes for further retracement, we can look for a buy position around this area. Okay, if market comes down for further correction, then obviously we have 3300. Okay, but as of now, let's hope that our previous resistance will be able to provide the support. If you see market taking support, then only hit the buy button. Okay, this seems to be the best level. But as of now, okay, chances of market coming down to this level is very less. So for immediate level, we can also consider 334645 area. So during the day, if we see market taking support around 334645, we can also look for a buy position around this level as well. We are considering 334645 because let me show you. Okay, because of FIBO 50% retracement level, and you can already see the market is taking support of FIBO 38.2 right now. So we can expect the same from FIBO 61.8 and FIBO 50 as well. FIBO 50 in comparison to 61.8 is not a very strong level, but if market remains like this before US session especially, you can expect 46, 45 to provide support to the market. Otherwise, the best support around 3336, 3334. Clear. And if market doesn't come for retracement, then obviously we can buy at breakout It means we can buy above 3390 during the day. Okay, if you see market going up, okay, then wait for a breakout. If you already have a buy, you can hold. Okay, if you're looking for a fresh position, you can look for a buy above 3390 as well. If you're planning to enter on the middle of the chart, for example, if you're planning to enter above 3365, 3366 area, okay, then also you can enter, but those are some risky levels because your area of value will not be in your favor. So it will be better for you to buy above 3390 if market shows a big breakout during the US session. But as of now, it will be better for us to stick to the buy at retracement. So let's wait and watch. And market is very volatile, so please be careful. I'll be busy today, and tomorrow there may not be any video in the morning. Okay. So let's hope for the best. Good luck to you guys. Bye bye.